Mughal is 46 years old. He is 4 years older than thrice his son's age. Find the age of his son. So let's take Mughal is 46 years old. And he is, again, that is, it indicates Mughal is 4 years older than his son's age. Thrice his son's age. Son's age is yes. Thrice is 3 times his son's age. So 4 years older than thrice his son's age. So we have to find the age of the son. Okay, so it's straight, right? Both the things are of Mughal. So we have to just equate both the things and we will find the son's age to be 14. Okay, next, Pete, Brian and Philip are cousins. So there are 3 persons involved. Pete's age is 1/3 of Brian and Philip is 5 years elder than Brian. So elder means we have to add 5 more years. If the sum of the age of all the cousins, right? So Pete, Brian and Philip's age is altogether 40. Okay. So it's very easy. Now they have relatively given the age of Pete and Philip with Brian. So we have to substitute those values. Instead of P, we write it is 1/3 of Brian, and Brian's age we don't know, and Philip in relation to Brian, he is 5 years elder. So everything is substitute. So everything is in terms of Brian now. So when we solve the equation, we will find the age of Brian to be 15. Okay, then if the age of Brian is 15, then substitute the value of that in Pete, then we will be getting the age of Pete to be 5. And when we substitute the value in this equation, we will find the age of Philip to be 20. Okay, so let's see some more examples. Nick and Cain were born on consecutive years and on the same date. Nick is younger. So Nick is younger. So Nick plus consecutive years, right? So that means plus 1 year Cain is born. The sum of their ages is 11. So Nick and Kate's age totally it is equal to 11. Find the age of the brothers. So just we have to substitute the age of Nick. Okay, so what is Cain? It's nothing but n plus 1, right? So Nick plus, instead of Cain's age, we substitute n plus 1, which is equal to 11. So n is equal to 5 and Cain is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, now we will move to the next problem. The sum of the present ages of Kiran and Kate is 60 years. Kiran and Kate is 60 years. If the ratio of their present ages is 7/8, the first time we are seeing the ages in terms of ratio 7/8. Okay, find their present age. Okay, so what we have to do is Kiran, nothing but the ratio can be represented like this, right? Right. So now Kiran is equal to 7/8 age of K. Now we substitute this in this equation. So 7/8 of K plus K is equal to 60. Therefore, by solving the equation, we find that Kate's age is 32. Okay, and then we'll find Kiran's age to be 28. Okay, This is one way of doing. There is also another way of doing. It's like Kiran's age and Kate's age is equal to 7:8, right? So Kiran's age, we can just mark it as 7x, okay, and Kate's age, we take it as 8x, okay. So now we know that Kiran and Kate's age is equal to 60, right? It's already given in the problem. So now we add 8x plus 7x, which is equal to 60. So therefore x is equal to 4. Now in order to find the value of Kiran and Kate's age, we have to substitute in this equation. So now Kiran's age is equal to 28 and Kate's age is equal to 32. So there are two different methods by which we can approach the problem. Now we will move on to the next. A brother is 3 years older than his sister. Brother is 3 years older than his sister, and 5 years ago is b minus 5, right? The age of the brother is b minus 5, and also the age of the sister is also 5 years ago. Their ratio is given as 4:3. 5 years ago their age ratio is given, and also there is a relationship between the brother and the sister, that is 3 years, okay. So now we can solve this equation by a method like our previous methodology, that is we have to change them into this format, and 3b minus 15, that is I'm just cross multiplying it, okay, which is equal to 4s minus 20. Now I am substituting this equation here, okay. So it becomes 3 into 3 plus s minus 15, so 4s minus 20. So this is clearly that everything comes in the terms of sister's age. So now we can find the sister's age by solving the equation. It is going to be 14. So brother's age is equal to, it is 14 plus 3 years elderly, right? So it's going to be 70. Okay, so now let us see the other method. See, b is equal to 3 plus s. I also can write it this as brother's age minus sister's age is equal to 3. This way also we can take, right? So now the age of the sister's ratio, right? Brother and sister's ratio before 5 years, right? That is age before 5 years, okay. That can be had as brother is equal to 4x and sister is equal to 3x. So I have to substitute in this relation these values, right? So which will become 4x minus 3x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, right? But what they want is the present age, right? Okay, first we will find out the age of the brother and sister before 5 years, okay. That is 12, and the sister's age is equal to be 9, okay. This is before 5 years. So now there will be 5 years older, right? So it will be 17 and the sister will be 14, okay. So this way also you can make out the problem, whichever is more understanding for you, more easy for you, you can do it. Next, the present ages of Declerk and Sania are in the ratio of 3:1. Okay, so it's a ratio 1, so I have to write it as in the format of ratio, which is equal to 3:4. 5 years from now, so that is d plus 5 and s plus 5 is equal to 4s to 5. What is their percentages? So very casual, t plus 5, s plus 5, 4 by 5. Okay, and this equation also I have to carry out, right? D by s, which is equal to 3 by 4. So d is equal to 3 by 4 times the s. Okay, so now we have to cross multiply this, and we get 5d plus 25, which is equal to 4s plus 20. Let's now substitute the value of d. Right, now everything comes in terms of the sister's age. So sister's age is found to be 20. So this brothers and sisters, sorry, daughter and sister, Darian, Declerk and Sania's age, I'm very sorry, it's Declerk and Sania's age, is in the ratio of 3:4. So with that relation, we find that Declerk's age is to be 50. Okay, this is one method. The next method is like we have to take the age of the Declerk as 3x and Sania's age as 4x. Okay, so the next step, according to the next step, that is Declerk's age after 5 years, right? So that is going to be 3x plus 5 and 4x plus 5 in the ratio of 4:5. This is the percentage ratio, and this is the after 5 years. Okay, so this is going to be like 15x plus 25 is equal to 16x plus 20. So x is going to be 5. Now we substitute the value in this equation and find the current age of Declerk and Sania. Okay, so this is how we solve the both problems related to age. Kindly watch the previous videos related to this and post your comments, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.